Think you know how to use mirrors in your home? Think again. There's a lot more to mirror placement than you might expect, and even small changes can make a huge difference in your living space. Today, top interior designers reveal 5 essential mirror placement rules that will truly transform your space, making every room look bigger, brighter, and more thoughtfully curated than ever before. Let's kick things off with a common mistake that many people make when decorating their homes: hanging a mirror directly across from your front door. It might seem like a simple way to add style or make your entryway feel bigger, but this design choice can actually have some unintended consequences. While it may look logical at first glance, placing a mirror here actually bounces all the welcoming energy, or qi, right back out the door. In many cultures, especially in feng shui, the entryway is considered the mouth of energy for your home. When a mirror faces the door, it's almost as if you're rejecting all the positive vibes before they even have a chance to enter. Instead of feeling inviting and warm, your entryway can end up feeling cold, sparse, and unwelcoming. Guests might not be able to put their finger on it, but something will feel off as soon as they step inside. From a design perspective, a mirror facing the door doesn't add depth or interest. It can even feel confrontational, almost like a barrier. Rather than drawing people in, it can create a sense of tension or discomfort right at the threshold. The goal with any entryway is to draw people in, to make them feel welcome and comfortable as soon as they arrive. You want your home's first impression to be warm, open, and inviting, not closed off or harsh. If you love the idea of having a mirror in your entry, there's a simple solution: place it on a side wall instead. This way, you still get all the benefits of a mirror, like checking your look before you head out, without blocking the flow of positive energy. With a sidewall mirror, you can easily glance at yourself before leaving the house, but you're not sending all the good vibes and energy right back out the door. It's a subtle shift that makes a big difference in how your space feels. Mirrors on side walls also help bounce natural light around the entryway, making the space feel bigger, brighter, and more cheerful. This is especially helpful if your entry is small or doesn't get much sunlight. Always consider what your mirror reflects. Try to double something beautiful, like a vase of fresh flowers, a piece of art, or a lovely architectural detail. Avoid reflecting clutter or anything that feels chaotic, as this can amplify messiness and stress. A sidewall mirror is also a great opportunity to add style and personality to your entryway. Whether you choose a vintage frame, a sleek modern design, or something bold and artistic, your mirror can become a beautiful accent piece. Remember, your entryway sets the tone for your entire home. It's the first thing you and your guests see, so it's worth taking the time to get it right. Use mirrors thoughtfully to enhance your space, not distract from it. The right placement can make your entryway feel harmonious, balanced, and full of positive energy. Try moving your mirror from directly across the door to a side wall and notice how the vibe in your entryway shifts. You might be surprised at how much more welcoming and comfortable it feels. So before you hang that mirror across from your front door, take a moment to ask yourself, am I welcoming energy in or accidentally sending it away? A small change in placement can make a big difference in the way your home feels from the very first step inside. Here's a design rule that can truly transform your space. Always place mirrors opposite windows, not just on any blank wall. This simple shift in thinking can make a dramatic difference in how your room feels and functions. When you position a mirror to face a window, you instantly double the amount of daylight streaming into your room. The effect is almost magical. Spaces feel larger, airier, and much more vibrant, as if you've added a whole new window without any construction. Think of a mirror across from a window as a secret second window. It bounces natural light around the room, brightening dark corners and making the entire space feel more open and inviting. No renovation required, just a little strategic placement. On the other hand, if your mirror is just reflecting a blank wall or an empty corner, it's not really doing much for your space. It might even make the room feel more closed off or uninspired, rather than enhancing it. Instead, use your mirror to amplify the best features of your room. If you have a beautiful view, lush greenery, or even just a patch of blue sky outside your window, let your mirror capture and multiply that beauty inside. And if your window doesn't offer a picture-perfect view, don't worry. Get creative. Position your mirror to reflect a statement plant, a vibrant piece of artwork, or even a stylish lamp. This way, you're still bringing energy and color into the room. The goal is simple. Double what you love about your space, not what you want to hide. Mirrors are powerful tools for highlighting your favorite features and drawing attention to what makes your home unique. Pay close attention to the height and angle of your mirror. Make sure it's lined up to catch both the light and the view you want to showcase. Sometimes, just a few inches higher or lower can make all the difference in what's reflected. In smaller spaces, try using a tall, narrow mirror directly opposite a window. This draws the eye upward, maximizes brightness, and can make even the tiniest room feel more expansive and welcoming. This trick isn't just for living rooms. It works wonders in bedrooms, home offices, hallways, and especially in rooms that don't get much natural light. A well-placed mirror can completely change the mood and energy of a space. Just be careful to avoid placing mirrors where they'll reflect harsh sunlight directly into your eyes or onto screens, creating uncomfortable glare. A little planning goes a long way to keep your space both beautiful and functional. So next time you're tempted to fill a blank wall with a mirror, pause and ask yourself, can I use this opportunity to reflect a window or something beautiful instead? Sometimes, the best spot for a mirror isn't where you first thought. Try this simple switch and you'll be amazed at how much brighter, bigger, and more stylish your space can feel. It's truly the easiest way to level up both your light and your look. No renovation required. Dining rooms are all about gathering, celebration, and creating memories with friends and family. So why not double that warm, inviting feeling with a large mirror on one wall? A mirror isn't just a decorative element, it's a design tool that can completely transform the atmosphere of your dining space. A substantial mirror instantly makes the room feel more open, airy, and generous, almost as if your table is overflowing with good company and laughter. The reflection creates the illusion of extra space, making even a modest dining area feel grand and welcoming. Treat your dining room mirror as a true statement piece. Choose one that's big enough to anchor the wall, almost like adding a new window that brings in light and energy. The right mirror can become the focal point of the entire room, drawing the eye and setting the tone for every meal. When you have a chandelier or candles, the mirror multiplies their glow, bouncing light around and making the space feel festive, magical, and full of life. The play of reflections adds a sense of movement and sparkle, perfect for special occasions or cozy family dinners. A large mirror visually doubles your table setting, making every holiday or dinner party feel more abundant and lively. It's like having twice the guests, twice the laughter, and twice the celebration, all without needing a bigger table. To get the proportions right, make sure your mirror is at least 2/3 the width of your dining table. This creates a balanced look that feels intentional and harmonious, rather than awkward or undersized. Hang the mirror so it reflects the faces of your guests, not just the backs of chairs. This simple trick boosts connection and conversation, making everyone feel seen and included at the table. If you're lucky enough to have a beautiful chandelier or pendant light, let the mirror capture its sparkle and drama. The reflection will amplify the fixture's beauty, making it a true centerpiece. Don't forget the frame. Choose one that adds texture, color, or a touch of glamour, and make sure it matches your dining room's style, whether that's classic, modern, rustic, or eclectic. The frame is your chance to add personality and tie the look together. In windowless dining rooms, a large mirror is a game changer. It reflects light from adjacent rooms or lamps, instantly opening up the space and making it feel brighter, airier, and more inviting. For easy maintenance, consider a mirror with an antiqued or distressed finish. Not only does it hide fingerprints and smudges, but it also adds vintage charm and character to your dining area. So if you want your dining room to truly wow your guests, don't be afraid to go big with your mirror. It's a simple upgrade that brings drama, elegance, and a sense of celebration to every meal. Hallways are often narrow and dark, but the right mirror placement can change everything. Always mirror the long wall, not the end. This visually widens the space and makes it feel more open. A mirror at the end of a hallway can make it feel shorter and more cramped. Mirroring the long wall stretches the space and bounces light from adjoining rooms. You don't need a giant mirror. Several smaller ones in a row work too. Keep mirrors at eye level for the best effect. Choose simple frames to avoid overwhelming the space. For especially tight hallways, try mirrored panels or a floor-to-ceiling mirror for drama. Play with shapes. Round or oval mirrors soften straight lines. Reflect something interesting, like art or a sconce, to add personality. Get creative. Mirrors can turn a forgotten corridor into a feature. Mirror the long wall and watch your hallway open up. One of the best mirror moves? Leaning large floor mirrors instead of hanging them. A big, beautifully framed mirror leaning against a wall feels effortlessly stylish and editorial. It acts almost like a window, making ceilings look higher and spaces feel grander. Go big, at least 5 feet tall, and wider if you have the space. Leaned mirrors create a relaxed, approachable vibe and are perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, and entryways. Great for renters. No holes in the wall required. Place your mirror to reflect something worth seeing. A cozy chair, a plant, or beautiful flooring. Avoid corners where it might feel squished. If you have kids or pets, secure your mirror with anti-tip hardware for safety. Layer with a basket or plant at the base for a styled look. Leaning mirrors bounce light around and make small rooms feel bigger. It's a little luxury with big impact. Want editorial magic? Go for the lean. There you have it. 5 designer-approved mirror rules to transform your space. Try these in your own home and see the difference. Let us know which rule surprised you most in the comments. And if you loved these tips, subscribe for more design secrets you won't hear anywhere else.